Ninth hike today. Go for a short one. I started from Repulse Bay and then came through the Hong Kong International School, and this will take me to Wilson Trail, and then my objective is to hike to the Dai Town Reservoir. Yeah, Hong Kong is famous for this shortcut through dense vegetation. Come up to basically the reservoir water catchway. We came through that reservoir catchment system. This is the downtown upper reservoir. This concludes the ninth hike, 6.6 kilometers, 2 hours and 41 minutes. And in fact, this is a place where I started my first or second hike, I can't remember now, but going to a different place. Today is the 10th hike. I'm going to go up to the lighthouse, go back. My intent is to go to footpath to Big Wave Bay, which is close to Shack O, the end of Dragon Back. So this path is what they call the Leaping Dragon Walk. I don't know how far, I don't know how many elevation gain, so it's kind of ad hoc hiking today. This path will take me to the extreme east part of Hong Kong. There's a lighthouse there. I'm looking back to a west, Lion Rock, Tai Mo Shan. Actually in front of me is Cheng Kwan O. I don't know what's going on there. That island there is Tung Lung Island, East Dragon Island.